ये क्वेश्चन देखो, इसमें क्या बोला है कि हमारे पास दो ब्लॉक्स हैं, ब्लॉक ए ऑफ मास m रेस्ट ऑन द प्लैंक बी ऑफ मास 3m। ये मास m का है, ये मास 3m का है, which is free to slide on a frictionless surface. The ground is frictionless. The coefficient of friction between the block and the plank is 0.2. Horizontal force of magnitude 2 mg is applied to the plank B. Okay, this force is applied to the plank. The acceleration of A relative to plank and relative to ground respectively are. 4 options are there. कैसे solve करेंगे इसे? First of all, let's draw the FPD. So this is the block A and we have the plank B. We are applying the force of 2 mg on the plank. Okay. Now friction will be acting on block A in forward direction and on block B it will be acting on backward direction. Okay. Then we have mg in normal force. So here we have mg normal force. Okay. Reaction of this normal force will act on the plank, but we are not drawing it. We just need this for calculating friction. So normal force will be equal to mg. So this friction will be less than equal to mu mg. Okay. Correct. So what is the maximum value of friction? Since mu is equal to 0.2, so we can say that friction is less than equal to 0.2 mg. So acceleration of block A will be what? Acceleration of block A, there's only one horizontal force on block A, so its acceleration will be F by m. So it will be less than equal to 0.2 g. Correct. Maximum value of F is 0.2 mg, so maximum value of F by m will be 0.2 g. Okay. Now we still need to know whether the two blocks will move together or not. So for that, it's like a coin toss. Like you have to guess whether it will be heads or tails, and then you have to solve. You have to see after tossing the coin what you are getting. So here let's assume, let's toss the coin and say that blocks move together. Assuming blocks move together. Okay. If they are moving together, they will have same acceleration. Correct. Then we can treat them as a single system. We can treat them as a single system which is having a net external force 2 mg. Then their combined acceleration will be what? 2 mg divided by total mass. So total mass is how much? This is 3m, this is m, so total mass will be 4m. So this will be g by 2. So if they move together, their acceleration should be g by 2. But block A can have maximum acceleration of 0.2 g, which is less than g by 2. That means the assumption is wrong. So the two blocks are not going with same acceleration but with different acceleration, where friction is kinetic. Friction is kinetic. So F will be equal to 0.2 mg. That's it. So acceleration of block A will be F by m, that is 0.2 g. Acceleration of block B will be what? So for the block B, we have 2 mg in forward direction, friction in backward direction. So 2 mg minus friction divided by mass of block B, 3m. Okay. So 2 mg minus 0.2 mg divided by 3m. So this is equal to 1.8 g by 3, so 0.6 g. Okay. So we found the acceleration of block B with respect to ground. This is the acceleration of block A with respect to ground, or we could rewrite this as g by 5. Okay. This is the acceleration of block A with respect to ground. This is the acceleration of block B with respect to ground. So acceleration of block A with respect to B is what? AA minus AB. So 0.2 g minus 0.6 g. So that is minus 0.4 g or minus 2 g by 5. We are getting minus sign because with respect to block B, the block A will go backwards. Okay. So anyways, the correct answer will be option D over here, right? G by 5 with respect to ground and 2g by 5 with respect to block B. Okay, so answer is option D.